Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily add the hidden words on Instagram using your iPhone and Android device. Instagram's hidden words feature helps you filter out offensive, abusive, or unwanted comments and message requests. By adding custom words, you can control what appears on your post and in your inbox. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Instagram app on your device, and then you have to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose Settings and Privacy option to proceed. Then you have to scroll down and tap on Hidden Words under How Others Can Interact with You section. This is where Instagram manages comment and message filtering. Now you can type the words, phrases, or emojis you want Instagram to hide. You can also separate each word or phrase using a comma. And once done, make sure to tap on the Add or Save option and you are good to go. Going forward, comments with these words, including similar misspellings, will be filtered out so they are only visible to the authors. It's worth pointing out that message requests will be moved to the hidden request folder. This feature is perfect for avoiding spam, bullying, spoilers, or unwanted promotions. It helps create a healthier and more positive experience on your profile. You can update or remove hidden words anytime from the same menu. If you ever want to get rid of any words, just return to the same Instagram setting and tap on the X button right next to a specific word. Adding hidden words on Instagram gives you full control over your online space. So whether you want to block negativity or avoid spam, this tool makes your social experience safer and more enjoyable. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you in the next one.